Hello, I'm Dr. McCutcheon, and today we're going to show you how to use the NeilMed nasal irrigation kit. You'll need distilled water in addition to the kit, Kleenex, and something like a bowl or preferably sink. The box comes with the saline and a squeeze bottle and very well written instructions. Now today we're going to start off with mixing a isotonic solution, which is just one packet. And then add distilled water or drinking quality water. It can be either distilled or drinking. It can't be tap water. Tap water occasionally has microbes in it that can cause serious infections in susceptible individuals. And you fill it to this line. It's got a little line that tells you exactly where to fill it to. Put the top back on it, and then you want to shake it, and it's important that you have washed your hands before you do this. You shake it really good until you don't see anything that's floating around or trying to sink in there. Once you've shaken it up, you're ready to go. This is going to be the isotonic saline, which is the best tolerated. So if this is your first time irrigating your nose, you probably want to start off with just one packet per bottle. Lean over the sink or the basin, put this in your nose, open your mouth, and squeeze. You can see the saline going in the right nostril and then coming out the left. That's the proper technique. Let the bottle re-expand once you've exhausted the pressure. Lean back over, squeeze the last time. After irrigating, the instructions say to gently blow your nose. For superior decongesting, maybe after you've done it a time or two, you can step up to hypertonic saline, which would be 2 packages. And we add our drinking quality or distilled water once again. Go on. Shake the bottle. Again, lean over a sink or a bowl. Insert the nozzle up into your nose and squeeze with the mouth open. Let the bottle re-expand. Squeeze again, mouth open, leaning over the bowl. You'll notice the saline is going in the left nostril and coming out the right. instructions again say to gently blow the nose to clear the irrigant, using 1 bottle per side.